What's the deal? It's Randall, and today we're back with an update on my Dodge Magnum project. If you can remember, one of my videos I showed you a 2005 Dodge Magnum. Needed a little TLC, budget build, and so we've made some progress on it. Still got a little bit more to go, and so I'm going to let you all check it out, and we'll kind of go over a few things. So we'll be back. As you can see, 2005 Magnum, like we said, it's getting wrapped in a gray color. The material is going to be cheetah wrap that we're using. We have a bumper on here now. That's just a placeholder. I actually went and got a new bumper, and I'm just going to start all the way over. You know, brand new bumper. It's already wrapped, and so I'll be putting that on probably tomorrow. And then, as you can see, we still have the factory 18-inch RT wheels on here. And so the RT models, they came with the 18-inch upgraded premium wheels. And so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my 20s off super blue on here, and so it'll have an upgraded look as far as appearance goes. And I think that the gray color will be a nice contrast against that darker gray color, so stay tuned for those. I definitely am going to have to address the window trim on all these older Dodges, including one of my older Chargers. This trim gets faded, and so once it gets faded, you know, you can sand it down and paint it, you know, get it brand new again. But since we've already wrapped it, we're not going to paint it. I'm probably just going to wrap it with some vinyl just to tighten it up, because I found these pieces. These pieces actually cost roughly about $200 online, which is ridiculous. So I'm going to tighten those up here in a few. Got to put the door handles on. Still got to put all the trimmings on. Got the mirrors back on already. Those have been done. And all in all, it's coming together. So we're going to go with new tail lights. These tail lights have to go. And get my wiper back in there. And so yeah, so it's coming together. You know, this is a project that I look forward to getting on the road, having some fun with, and seeing how far we can take it before it's time for it to go. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for watching. We'll be back soon with an update. Peace.